In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can pin a comment on YouTube mobile. So all you need to do is launch up the YouTube app, and then you want to go to one of your videos where you want to pin a comment. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my channel by tapping on my profile icon at the top right, tapping on your channel, and I'm just going to select this video. And then you can see underneath my channel name, it says comments. If I go ahead and add a comment, I can go ahead and add a comment. So I'm just going to do that. So I've written out my comment. All I need to do is tap on that post button next to the comment. That's going to post the comment, and then you can see you have the option to like it, dislike it, or heart it. And then you can see 3 vertical dots on the right hand side of the comment. If I tap on that, you can see an option that says pin. All you need to do is tap on pin one more time, and it's giving me an unknown error right now, but that is how you would pin a comment. Let me just try go to another video. Okay, so I've gone to another video. I tap on the post button one more time, then I tap on the 3 vertical dots, then I tap on pin again, and the comment has now been pinned, and it says there pinned by and then your channel name. So that is how you pin a comment on the YouTube mobile app. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.